Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to redeem Fortnite V Bucks code on your Nintendo Switch. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to know it. So make sure to go to the store in your Nintendo Switch, and once you are in the store you will be seeing an interface similar like this one in your Nintendo Switch as well. So from here what you can do is just click on this more option, and inside the more you can see the option called V Bucks. So just click on V Bucks and it will take a few seconds to load, and once you're in this section, as you can read, redeem your V-Bucks card. Just scroll down and click on get started. And once you click on get started, so that is where you can redeem all your V-Bucks codes as well. So you'll be seeing an interface like this. As you can see, like I am not logged in with my account. And if you are logged in with your account, so you will directly seeing an option like enter the code or like select the amount that you want to buy. So let me just log in with my account. So once you log in with your account, you will be seeing an interface like this. So as you can see, like enter your code or PIN in this section. Make sure to enter the code that you have. And once you enter the code, click on next and you will be able to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks through your code on Switch. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.